welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video I will be showing you how to make fried dumplings. So let's get started, guys. So here are the ingredients for the dumplings. 2 cups all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and 1 tablespoon butter. Now I will combine. So now I will add small amount of water. Add small amount of water and continue kneading. After finished kneading, this is what it looks like. Now I will break the dough and make them into small balls. I prefer to make the dumpling in small bites, not too big. Now I will heat my oil to 350 and fry. Now I will pour my oil and turn the heat to high. You can use a small piece of dough to test your oil. Now it's all ready, guys. Now I will turn to mid-heat. So continue frying and mid-heat until golden. These are ready, guys. So now we will continue. Continue and mid-heat. If you notice, I didn't have to be turning the second sets of dumplings as often as the first sets because the oil was hot enough. So beautiful, golden and beautiful. So I hope you're enjoying this video, guys. Remember to leave me a comment, like, share and subscribe. And I do hope you enjoy your dumplings. Very easy, guys. You can use the vegetable oil or you can use the olive oil. We all know the olive oil is the healthiest, so whatever your preference, enjoy. Beautifully done, guys. Golden and beautiful. Golden and beautiful, guys. Thank you guys so much. See you soon. Enjoy.